Ready to make your Shopify store's checkout process quicker and easier? Shop Pay is the perfect solution. Let's walk through the steps to activate Shop Pay and show you why your customers are going to appreciate it. First things first, let's get you logged into your Shopify admin. Grab your login credentials and head over to your dashboard. You're one step closer to offering a smoother checkout experience. Once you're in, head to the lower left corner of your admin panel. There, you'll see Settings. Click on that and select Payments from the list. This is where the magic happens. Here comes the fun part. In the Shopify Payment section, hit Manage. Scroll down until you spot Shop Pay and click the box that says Enable Shop Pay. Don't forget to click Save to lock in your changes. You're now officially ready to give your customers the gift of faster checkouts. If Shopify asks you for any extra details about your store or banking info, fill those in. It's like adding the finishing touches to a masterpiece. Once done, you're good to go. Now that Shop Pay is live, let your customers know about the exciting new checkout option. They can save their payment details for super fast checkouts on future orders. It's convenience at its best. When customers make their first purchase with Shop Pay, they'll be asked to securely save their info, like email, shipping address, and payment details. Easy peasy. For those repeat customers, Shop Pay makes it even better. They'll be able to check out with just one tap. No more typing out details. They can breeze through checkout in a flash. During their first Shop Pay checkout, customers might be asked to verify their identity with a quick 6-digit code sent via email or text. It's all about security. With saved details, your customers will zip through the process in no time, cutting down cart abandonment rates. Their information is encrypted, meaning you can rest easy knowing everything is secure. With Shop Pay installments, customers can break up their payments, making it easier to stick to a budget. By setting up Shop Pay, you're not just making checkout faster, you're improving your customers' entire shopping experience. And when your customers have a better experience, your conversion rates might just skyrocket.